The third part of the fourth worksheet. If he give you 4 and 2, this is the first point, and the second point is 8 and 5, and he asked you to write the equation for the line passes through these 2 points in slope-intercept form, means in y equal mx plus b. If you have 2 points, get the slope. So how can we get the slope? By the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 2 over 8 minus 4. So the slope for this line, it will be 3 over 4. The equation for the line in slope-intercept form, y equal mx plus b. We know now the slope, and we have 2 points. The line passes through them. Choose any one of them and evaluate in this equation, because any point on the line make the equation correct. So y, what is y? If I choose the first point, the y is 2. So 2 equal, what is the slope? The slope here 3 over 4 times x. What is the x? Please, you took the first point, so you will take the y for the first point and also the x for the first point. So what is the x? The x here is 4. 2 equal 3 over 4 times 4 plus b. Why we do like this? To get the value of b. B is a y-intercept. So 2 equal, simplify, it will be 3 plus b. B equal 2 minus 3. So b equal -1. When you get the value of b, evaluate in the equation. We said the general equation, you must write y and x, because they are only the variable in the equation. And you must write the value of the slope and the value of the b, or the y-intercept. So the equation is y equal 3 over 4x minus 1. Number 2. He gave you the point and gave you slope, and he asked you to write the equation for this line in point slope form. What is the equation in point slope form? It will be y minus y1 equal m, open the parenthesis, x minus x1. Write y minus, what is y1? It's 6. So y minus 6 equal, the slope here is 1/2 times x minus 4. So this is the equation. Number 3, same. He gave you point and he asked about the slope. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 1 equal 2, open the parenthesis, x minus -5. So minus times negative, it will be positive. So y minus 1 equal 2, open the parenthesis, x plus 5. This is the equation. Number 4, he give you the y-intercept and the x-intercept. X-intercept is -5, so the point, it will be -5 and 0. And the y-intercept here is 3, so the point, it will be 0 and 3. So the slope, it will be 3 minus 0 over 0 minus -5. So it will be 3/5. This is the slope. And we need to write the equation for this line in slope-intercept form. So y equal, what is the slope? 3 over 5x plus, what is the y-intercept? It will be 3. So this is the equation. The slope, if you have the x-intercept and the y-intercept, it will be what? Opposite y-intercept over x-intercept. This is 3 over -5, and we get the opposite, so it will be positive 3 over 5. Understood? Number 5, he gave you point and slope, and he asked to write the equation in slope intercept form. So y equal mx plus b. I already know the slope. The slope here is -3 over 4. And the point 0, this is y coordinates, and the 8 here is x coordinates. So 0 equal 3 over 4 times 8 plus b. So 0 equal, simplify, divided by 4 equal 1, divided by 4 equal 2, and multiply negative 3 times 2, it will be negative 6. So 0 equal negative 6 plus b. So b equal 6. You can write the equation now. Y equal negative 3 over 4 is the slope, x plus b. Okay. Number 6, he give you 2 points, 1 and 7. And second point is negative 6 and 7. Please concentrate. We have y coordinates same for both of the points. So the line would be horizontal. So the slope for the horizontal line is 0. So if we need to write the equation in point slope form, it will be y minus 7 equals 0 times x minus x1, or 0 multiplied by any number equals 0. So it will be y minus 7 equal 0.